Manchester City 2, Arsenal 2. We are smoking the brain dead pack tonight, the idiots pack, the stupid pack, the Trossard pack. Cheers, mate. Thanks for that. Well done. Good one, mate. Well done. Absolute idiot. What was he doing? What was he actually doing? Like, real talk. That feels like a loss, by the way. They put in so much in that second half. It's so jarring. It is so flipping jarring. First 20 minutes of that game, I was sitting there thinking, right, just forfeit the game, mate. We'll get out of here with a 3-0 loss. Just forfeit it. Because we started and we were all over the gaff. Salvinho was absolutely cooking Calafiori. I actually thought he played bad today, by the way. Even when we went into that disgustingly dark, deep, low block. I actually didn't think he was very good. He was getting cooked constantly. Scored a banger. We'll get to that in a second. But before we do, smash the like button up. Make sure you are subbing as well. We're very close to 103k. And yeah, as you can tell, I'm very deflated. Very deflated. Not an angry Lee Gunner. Yeah, not a fuming Lee Gunner. Cheers, guys. Let's see how many people clip this up. They won't know because it won't get them clicks. Because apparently I only do it for the views. And I have these meltdowns and I make them all up and I'm fake and all of this. Whatever, mate. Anyway, let's go with the starting 11. Ben White was dropped today. People in my chat were telling me that he had a knee injury. Well, he didn't look like he had a knee injury when he came on because he legged it on the pitch. Legged it on the pitch. He's getting phased out. Very similar to Aaron Ramsdale, how he got phased out. And I said this and I called it all summer and he will be gone. In the next 18 months, that guy will not be at Arsenal Football Club. Timber will be our right back. Let's go to the let's go through the start in 11. Goalkeeper. Let's go one by one. Goalkeeper. Take a bow, son. Take a bow. Yeah, take a bow, mate. Yeah, because again, you are unreal. Real talk. You are unbelievable, mate. This goalkeeper. Yeah, this goalkeeper, I swear down. I don't know whether it's luck. I don't know whether he's got luck and he's unreal, or whether it's a bit of both. Right? I don't or whether he's just unreal. I don't know. But there was a shot that was straight at him, or semi-straight at him, and he saved it. I think it was from Vardial. Thomas Partey, by the way, headed the ball straight to him. But anyway, and he made this save, and it looped up. And it looked straight up in front of him and he caught it. It's like that could have gone anywhere. Yeah. This goalkeeper's a joke. He's been on fire this season. And again, for me, he's man of the match. He was man of the match again. Again. Let's go to Calafiori. He was playing at left back today. First start for the club. First start. Absolutely cooked by Savio. Cooked. Cooked. Chef whipping. He was getting absolutely skinned. At one point, for the first goal for Man City, he literally went all the way back to Bologna. And Savio just went, see you later, mate. Wait a pass. I told you all about Savio. Remember, yeah? I told you all. Told you all. I said, this guy's a superstar. And he is a superstar. He's unreal. Anyway, he redeemed himself. It wasn't a one-way ticket to Bologna. He brought it back again. Yeah, he did the return flight, guys. He got a 2 for 1. What a goal. What an absolute banger of a goal that was. That is one of the best goals Arsenal have scored for as long as I can remember, if I'm honest. That goal was insane. And let's not do that any disservice. That's against one of the best keepers. I actually think he's better than Alisson. People would disagree. That's against the best keeper in the world. Yeah, he's unbelievable, Ederson. But that goal, and to take that with your left foot and the way he, oh, mate. Nah, ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And you're thinking, yo, cool. We're back in it, lads. You're thinking, right, okay. We've weathered the storm. We've been very lucky in that 20 minutes or so. Yeah, now, what we're going to do. Then, The set piece kings rock up. They had their warning. Doku was standing jockeying with Gabriel. The ball comes in and very nearly scored. Very nearly scored. A few minutes later, it's Kyle Walker's turn to mark him instead. Jockeying with him. Doing all of this. Saka with the delivery. Bosh. Bullet header into the back of the net off the side of his head. Have some of that, and you're thinking, right, yeah, we might actually get out of it with saying. Now just get to half time. Just get to half time. Timber at right back. I didn't think he was that great in the first half. I didn't think he was that bad in the first half. It was a all right performance. Most of the stuff was coming down Calafiori's side, if we're being completely honest. The centre-backs, I don't know where either of them two were for that first goal. I have no idea. I don't know what Gabriel Magalhaes was doing for the shot that Gundogan had very early on in the game where he volleyed it wide. After that, and Timber as well, all three of them, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Calafiori obviously ended up getting injured. Timber eventually ended up getting injured. But let's go into midfield. Declan Rice. Didn't really see anything from him in the first half. He was anonymous. I can't lie. Didn't look like he was doing anything. Like, genuinely, people are giving me all the stats and all that. I don't care about your stats. Yeah, I've got eyes. 4 of the fuckers. The Jurgens are on. We've got the Jurgens on. Second half. Well done, mate. Honestly, well done. Well done. Thomas Partey, the same. Thomas Partey, to a lesser degree, he did well, though. He did well in the second half, but he was being pressured in that first half. He didn't have a clue where he was at times. Second half, the shot from Vardy, he headed straight to him. Other than that, it was just a case of siege. Like, let's just sit back. Yeah, we're going to park the bus. Siege mentality, bruv. Like, we're just going to sit here. Yeah, we're just going to kick the ball as far away as we can and get back in shape. Yeah, and both of them did that to a T. Both of them did it to a T. Let's go to 29. First player in 7 years not to complete a pass in a game. Again, got out of there without getting a yellow card. He probably should have been sent off in the first fucking 5 seconds. Didn't even get booked for that, by the way. Didn't even get booked. Did not get booked. Didn't get booked, lads. Which is kind of crazy when you deep it. Yeah, because he genuinely was a shithouse today. And I like that. I like that. I don't like the fact he had no passes completed. 0 passes completed. But I like the fact that he was throwing himself around and getting stuck in and giving it to Bertie. Because he's been doing that quite a lot recently. From the back end of last season to into this season. But at the same time, bro, we need to see a bit more from you, mate. We need to see a bit more from you. Gabriel Martinelli. Time for you to go, mate. Goodbye. I've seen enough now. It's been 5 years. You're getting done by a washed Kyle Walker. The way he just brushed him off the ball in the second half. I'm near the corner. It's their move, little boy. That's embarrassing, mate. You're nicking 180 grand a week. Come on, what are we doing here? Bukayo Saka. I'm not sure whether I'm right in saying this, so correct me in the comments. But I think that's the first time he's started a game where he's been captain of Arsenal. I may be wrong. Either way, he weren't great at all in the first half, was he? I don't know how many touches he had, but it was barely any. The corner that he whipped in, well done. Gabriel Magalhaes' goal, lovely. But I actually felt a bit sorry for Bukayo Saka. He got hooked off at half-time. So fingers crossed he's not injured. And hopefully it was just, we're going to sacrifice Saka to bring on Ben White to go more defensive in the second half. I'm hoping it's the latter because I wouldn't have took him off. I understand why we took him off. Martinelli's got more pace, quick on a counter, 29's quick. Saka's not that quick. So I get why he took him off if that is the case. But at the same time, wow. Wow. But listen, it's what it is. Trossard. Me and you need to have words, mate. We need to have words, lads, with Trossard. My baller, yeah? My baller. My baller's Arteta out. My baller is Arteta out. That's the only explanation. Let's just be real with it. It's the only explanation. He deliberately missed a penalty in pre-season. And he's got sent off today. Like, what is this guy doing? Like, real talk. That guy cost us the game. Sort of. He was a big problem as to why we didn't win that game. I'm just watching the, it's just showing the highlights again. That corner at the end of the game. 29 was the one out there. Thomas Partey. Is that Kivior? No, it's Ben White. Ben White, 29, and Thomas Partey. Not one person closed them down on that short corner. Not one. There was three of them in the box. Jack Grealish takes the quick corner. Bang. And people will say to me about Martinelli, oh, but he got the assist for Calafiori. I don't care. Yeah, that guy has been rubbish for 18 months. Yeah, I'm just looking. I'm seeing Pep just literally kick the chair. I'm just watching that header. That header from Gabriel was unreal. That cross was unreal. Well done, Saka, lad. Well done. But that feels like a loss to me. I can't lie. It's very deflating that when you are up against it anyway, because they're better than us, you go into a game without Odegaard and people go, but you don't rate him. Well, okay, mate, cool. You lot do. So what are we doing here? Then you go 1-0 down, you're getting touched up left, right, and centre. And then you come back like we did. Yeah, you come back like we did. And then we draw like that. Very, very, very disappointing. Very disappointing. I'm just seeing it again. They've just disowned shithouses. They're shithouses. They're showing Haaland versus Gabriel. That's why it was all kicking off at the end, because they were having it all game. When the goal went in, I've just seen it now. It was Gabriel. He put his shirt over his head when they equalised. Haaland got the ball out the back of the net and threw it off the back of his head and run off, giving it the big one. That's when it all kicked off. The one thing I will say, though, to end this fan cam, Kenny, Jez, and Matty up next. One thing I will say, that defending right there gives us a very good chance. However, going forward, we're anonymous. Yeah, with or without 10 men, 11 men, 10 men, we're anonymous. We're actually anonymous. I know we scored 2 goals today. Yeah, one of them was a banger and one of them was off a corner, and they were both from defenders. Yeah, Rodri looks like he's probably done a ligament. Yeah, I know he walked off the pitch, but it looks like he's done a knee injury there, and I think he'll be out for a while. But we'll see what happens, innit? We'll see what happens. Very, very, very disappointed in how that game ended. But at the same time, well done to the lads, because that defence in the second half was mad. Yeah, and just that fucking lapse of concentration. Yeah, 30 seconds from the end of the game, lapse of concentration. Jack Grealish, quick corner, boom, goal. Yeah, same in the first half. 30 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever it was, till half time. Trossard, idiot. 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 But here's what it is. Emergency meeting will be coming up after the next 3 fan cams. Bless up to everyone who's locked in. Sub, like, share, and I'm out. Cronky out.